We are back! Where are we?
We're at Waterfall.
Yay!
As on the big yellow, I mean not yellow, that's orange.
Now this is a really unique. So on most elevators, they have one door here and one door on that side, or one door here and another door on this side. This one has one door here and another door on this side. So let's go call it. Oh, grouse.
Up comes the lift elevator.
It's really cold here.
Oh, look, we have a little breezy. That's a weird elevator.
Yeah. It's closing.
It sounds like the bath when you make a whirlpool with the remaining water.
Yeah.
Or something drowning.
Really big door, I gotta say, as well.
Wait, what? Okay, I'm used to elevators having one on one side and one on the opposite side, or one.
Yeah. Here we have a train heading back from the turnback, I think. Turnback siding. And oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one coming from the other side. Film that one. At the same time. P62 passing by. What's that? This one from Hornsby. Nice. I think this one's heading into the depot over here. And T38 from Hornsby trailing on the train heading to the depot. Lucky that we. Dang. Apparently. Now this train stopped here.
T22.
The train heading into the depot, it has now restarted. It's leaving in like 20 minutes, this train. I guess that we could. I just quickly film it from inside. Off goes T38. Okay, let's go. Now they've put down the 6 and 10 car markers. Something I do like. Looking very nice. Epic gamer moment. We found this awesome little board here. Really cool. And looks a bit dodgy. There's a H set that just raced by. Oh, there's another one. Oh, that's better. Okay, so there's a figures economy service heading south. Here we have a waterfall service. Ooh.
I have a snip of them both next.
Nice. H33 for the terminating waterfall service. I think this is what becomes the Port Kembla service later on. Nice. Very, very nice. Then they get off here and then they transfer over to that train. So, you know, they have faster journeys. Lovely. So I tried to change back the whole roll thing here for the Port Kembla service that's soon going to depart, but it does not work. Oh. That is the interior of the cab of an Oscar. I love this little shelter. It's so small. Hello. Little plaque. Little plaque. Now here you can actually see something very cool. The junction feathers. These kind of illuminate, you know, if there's a junction up ahead, these illuminate, you know, what line that the signal is portraying. Very cool. That thing's been going for ages. Not sure what it is. Off it goes.
Please stand clear.
Through all those junctions, crossing over the tracks. I don't know how to zoom in on this. Okay, I don't know. Off it goes. I just found something really cool. Unanderra, and if I can you go Port Kembla North, yeah, all this Unanderra, Oaklands, Robertson, Moss Vale. How cool is that? That is very old. Wow. Wow. That is rare. I was not expecting.
Arrive on platform 1 terminates here. Please do not join this train.
H6 Central Service. Sorry that kind of messed up. Having problems with opening up my camera. Grouse. But we have retreated to the teeny weeny shelter. Since now the rain's kind of coming down a bit much and this train's about to depart. Really cool with the tiles along here, how they just kind of mold into each other. A blind person going on this platform must be extremely confused. Fine, I'm filming your umbrella for you. Just drop the umbrella. Actually, no, I think I got it covered for this. If I go into the abyss. Motors sound a bit different. Now it's crossing over at the junction. T22 trailing. And it crosses over the tracks. Lovely. Stickers for the displays there. Really cool. That right there is the old turntable. I'll go on. There you go. There's the old turntable. Really. Bought this cool little light reading history thingos. Stay home if you're sick. Payphone. Who the heck here's a... Who the heck still uses a paint? If you see something, so the whole station, including this, like most of the station, had to be rebuilt after the 1994 Waterfall train crash, and you can still see, you know, like where I had to rebuild the spans and all that along this grouse ramp. Very nice. Very grouse looking ramp. Lovely bridge thingy. Kaylin's now coming up. Downline area. I guess this would kind of be... Ooh, what is this that we have? Upline area. And there is the Illawarra line. It's just an ocean up here, and it's getting bigger by the second. I gotta get up here. There's another ocean. Ah, he didn't go in it. Look how murky the water is. Oh my gosh. Over here, past this grass, gravel and broken glass, we have a little bus stop here. Very nice. There's a giant motorway over there. It's absolute hell being next to a motorway, I know. And this is the little bus stop. Quite simple little bus stop here, but useful nonetheless, I suppose. And here is a quick view of the station from the side. From this little thingy right here at the bar. Emptying out the bins, that's pretty cool. Down on the platform. Nice. Don't see that a lot. And they take that over to the little locked bin area. There. Oh, wait, never mind, they're going even further. Wow, off they go. It's just a lovely little area where you can get on the lift, or you can go down here. I think to end off our lovely time here at Waterfall, we get in the lift and go up and down with this awesome sideways door. What did you do? Really cool. Just press the door button! Off we go to the street. Goodbye, Waterfall Station. For now, we'll probably come again and Railfanning here at some point. Will we? Train coming in. What is this? Yawn will probably.
Yeah, I can
T25 arriving into the station.
I'd hate to be up there.
Oh. That is so crunchy. Oh, yuck. Actually, it looks a bit crispy instead of crunchy. That is crunchy though. And here is the huge car park here. Pretty big. There's the Royal National Park Ulula walking track. Ulula? So this is kind of the route of the train line along here. The outside of the air is warmer than I expected. is kind of where, along here, where it kind of turns off. That was pretty much where the guard, the driver of G7 back in 2003 had a heart attack, and then later on he crashed his train straight into a rock face. Documentary about the disaster, in a link in the description below. Here we are in Helensburgh. We've found this London Transport RTL 547 bus. It's been converted to what appears to be a restaurant. Oh wait, never mind, it's a motorhome for hire. Nice. Piccadilly Circus, the desto board is set to. Really cool. 1949, this is an RMT bus, not a Route Master. Over there is the quarry. You cannot see a single finger. Here we are heading along the line towards the Helensburgh tunnel. It's very dirty on the ground here. And now they have shut it off, possibly to revive glowworms and also because of Corona. Here we are at Helensburgh. Ah, they've repainted a sign. Nice. Because the old one was kind of dying. That right there is the beautiful station. Bus, Route 15. Heavily advertised, with a bunch of people heading off and into the station here at Helensburgh. Indeed, there is. Lovely. Here we are, Helensburgh Station. Lovely. Old timetables, epic. Complete express for all, Norfolk and going. Oh, this is the Dapto! This is the Dapto Express! Oh my god, this is so. Yep. There seems to be this little once upon a time level crossing across the tracks here. Of course, now it's just been fenced off, though it looks like there's a little gate there, so it might still be in use. Just not a lot, I guess. Grass little relay box and 8-car marker. Lovely. Record. Page 47. Arriving into Helensburgh. Opened, one's closing. All the rest have opened. Now that one's opened. Now all the rest are closing. Oh, it is. There's not a train coming in. Now all the doors have opened again. Kayama service, H25. Now all the doors on this train are closed. That train goes. H47 in the lead. H15 trailing for a Central via Walleye Creek service. Over here we have a Kayama service. Next stop will be Ferrol. H23 is trailing. Lovely. Here's the grass little bridge here. Ah! There's the waterfall.
We're not 100% sure whether the station is waterfall or...
Over here, really cool. When they made this bridge, they put all this space here for the access road. Really nice. Also, quite a nice little station sign here under the bridge. Oh, it echoes. Echoes. Was that all that gun?
Yeah, all the old smoke.
Oh, gosh. Echo test. Woo. Here you go. And Kaylin. It's a really odd thing here. There you can see the A car marker for the HZ Oscars. Down here, they've gotten rid of the 8 car marker off the brand new 10 car marker. I'm guessing that they were like delivered, one for both. And then oh my god! There are so many coffee cups on the ground! I think I'm red.
Oxidized stone.
I'd say probably oxidized stone. A lot of moss on it as well. Okay, yeah, let's get under the bridge. Really weird overhead wire supports there.
Did you climb over that?
No. Lovely. But then again, how would you climb up that? They have some little water tankers here. They're just rocking out. Awesome. This was like a little old entrance to the station. A lot of the times, usually at like shoreline platforms, they had little boards crossing over the tracks here, where you can just step down, walk along the tracks, go up some ladders here, and you're across the tracks. Security camera, hey! Actually, I don't know where the camera is. Very, very nice little waiting room here, with the capacity of 4 people. And they have a little community library here. Oh, it has little train tracks on it. Oh, that's awesome. So if you guys want to read the Faraday Girls, then go ahead and head to this place, Helensburgh. And although there's only 4 people allowed in.
If you zoom in here to the camera, you can see it's got a little groove. But,
You can see. It still has a little ladder there. Really cool. Here's one of Tangara. T125 for a waterfall service. Four-car train arriving into Helensburgh.
We do so much trolling on Sunday station, don't we?
So we're now leaving Helensburgh. Going down this.
I thought S was the station, not street.
Now,
Then what's C for?
concourse. Or just a pedestrian bridge.
Oh, I thought.
Little city rail error sign here. Very nice. Here we are at the other end of the Helensburgh tunnel. And this is a pre-COVID fenced off area. Here there's a huge fence around here. Kalen's taking a photo. Absolutely gross this place. Let's just have one more.